In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the surf trade. The surf is a very powerful trade that we can take with the trend or once the market starts to move against a previously established trend. So in this example, we're going to take a look at a long surf trade that happens to be moving against the previously established trend. So we can see the market was trending short pretty consistently, and now the market has started to reverse, and we can begin looking to enter our surf trade. First thing we want to look for is our blue line to be above our purple line and in the direction of the trade we're looking to take. So since we're looking to take a long surf, the blue line needs to be above the purple line. Now the blue line also needs to be outside of its neutral zone in the direction of the trade we're looking to take. So since this is a long surf, our blue line needs to be above plus 51. Next, we're looking for our super trend to be outside of the neutral zone. And in this instance, we don't necessarily care which direction the super trend is outside of its neutral zone in. In this case, it's at minus 47. So even though it's opposite the direction we're looking to take this trade, that's okay, because all we care about is that it is not inside this gold range here. So if it is outside this range in either direction, we can look to take a surf trade. That rule is qualified. And next, we need to wait for a bar with a wick, a white turn bar, or a purple momentum bar. We can enter these surf trades on any of those types of bars, so long as the other rules are qualified. And so here I see that this bar has now developed a wick or a tail. So if this bar closes hitting my green DPI price, it will have a tail letting me know that I can enter this trade. So since it is qualified at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my green DPI price in my ladder at 1347.6. Scroll up a bit, enter my 3 contracts, and click submit order. So now far ahead of time, I've pre-qualified my surf trade and I'm merely waiting for the bar to close so my order can get filled. So now after our bar has closed, we see that our trade was indeed fully qualified. And now we've hit our profit target and the stop on our runner is at break even. A great example of the surf trade. It is a very powerful trade, although quite a bit more infrequent when compared to the single T or continuation. But when they do appear, they are very strong trades. Next, let's take a look at a short example. Here we have a surf short setting up. I have my bar with a wick or tail heading in the short direction. I have my blue line below the purple line. My blue line is just outside of the neutral zone, and my super trend is outside of its neutral zone as well. And remember, the super trend doesn't need to be outside of its neutral zone in the same direction as the direction we're looking to enter the trade. It just needs to be outside of its neutral zone. So with my trade fully qualified, I'm going to go ahead and enter my red DPI price, 20,789. And I want to make sure I have my correct auto exit strategy selected for the momentum or surf trades. Now we simply need to wait and see if our bar closes and our entry price is hit, and the auto exit will manage the trade from that point forward. And we see my entry price was hit. And as the market continues to move, my trailing stop will be adjusted to the high of the previous bar and eventually widened to the DPI price. We hope you find the surf trade a powerful and valuable trade to add to your trading arsenal.